When I have new machinists come in, they're really amazed at the level of tolerance that we have to maintain. And the Haas machines are able to maintain that. Hello everybody, I'm Rick Hinderer, owner of Rick Hinderer Knives here in the Midwest in Wayne County, Ohio. I got started 37 years ago. I started making knives. I was a farrier, a horseshoer at the time, and got bored turning horseshoes, and so I thought, oh, I wanted to try making a knife. Always been a knife buff, always collected knives, and I wanted to make a knife for a friend of mine who was retiring from the military, and that was pretty much my start, my first knife. I made knives, forged them for many years before I actually got into more production, automation type knife making. And in 2008, I moved into a bigger shop, and then that allowed me to get more equipment, more machines. That's where I looked into Haas, was at that point. Everything is done here in-house. We started off with a sheet of steel, and then we use a water jet to cut those blanks out. Those blanks, or coupons, obviously have to be machined with high precision. We're talking drilling, reaming, profile milling, all of that are done on the Haas vertical machining centers. Now, I'm a designer, so I'm not boxed in like, well, I have to design the knife this way because this is what's available on the market. I design the knife the way I think it should be designed and engineered, and then I just create what I need for that. And the Haas machines came in really out of a necessity. I needed to make more of those parts, and I knew I could not buy them outside. The blades are a really high-grade stainless, and this is powder, what we call powder steel, powder metallurgical type steel. Really difficult to machine. It's nice to have a machine that you can be able to change a lot of difference in the speeds and feeds to be able to experiment with machining these difficult materials. Our knives are very customizable, and a lot of that is the tolerances that we are able to hold, which comes from the Haas machines. Our pivots, the pivots that go into that the blade pivots around, that's a very high tolerance part. A lot of those are minus 1,000 tolerance, and we try for like minus half, and the ST10s are able to hold that. The reason why we're so popular is because each knife is the best you can get, and it goes from the very bottom part of the manufacturing process, cutting it out. They go on to the machining centers, and the people that are running them keep a tight eye on the quality. All of that, all the way up through, is the reason why we're the most popular brand out there.